Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to find Kylie Jenner's lip kit filter on Instagram. So you can visit her profile and you can follow her to get this filter. But if you can't see her filter gallery, then you can go to my profile and you can see this highlight celebrity. Go there and you can see this filter. Tap on this filter name and you can try it and you can save it to your camera from here. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this lip kit filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.